So hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to install Hibernate framework in the Eclipse. This tutorial is particularly for Eclipse version and how to install the Hibernate framework. So first go to the help section that will be available at the top, and then you have to go to the Eclipse marketplace, and then in the search box just tap JBoss tools and press on the go button. And scroll down there, then you will be find a ZBoss tool. Something version will be dependent on the when it's released or not, and currently I'm using the 4.21.0 final version. Then you have to just wait for a few minutes, let it download. Yeah, the version will be dependent on the particularly thing that when that Java tools that JV post tools has been released, and currently the latest version is 4.21. Then you have to deselect the everyone and just select the Hibernate tools and go to the confirm section and wait for a few minutes to install it, and just accept the user agreements and finish. And you can see that it's being installed here. It's about 5%. Now it's 48%. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you before how our file will be there before installing the Hibernate framework and after the framework installing the Hibernate framework also. So let it first download, and you can see here will be the this is my one of the folder is created. Creating a project and where I needed the Hibernate objects, and then get to know about it. Yes, no, I will press restart no option and go to the new option and go to the other option. You can check, just tap the Hibernate option, Hibernate keyword. You see there is no file stored in our wizard related to Hibernate. So just we need to restart our Eclipse because it's already installed after the downloading. Let our Eclipse be restart. Yeah, it's now restarted. Here will be some dialog box will be appeared. That means it's want to share your user statistic with the JB2 you design developers. So I to share our data. So good. I will go to my project. I'm creating and go to the src folder, and I will right click on the package name and go to the new option. And can we see here? No, there is no Hibernate option is there. And go to the other option and just type Hibernate. Yeah, here you get everything, and yeah, finally you have set up for the Hibernate framework for your project. Now you can use it. Thank you. If you like a video, just give a like and have a subscribe my channel. Thank you.